Hi friends, Jai Hind. First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Jalay Pandya from Faber Infinite for inviting me to this talk on National Productivity Week. So, India is going to celebrate National Productivity Week from 12th Feb to 18th Feb. What does that mean? Should we celebrate productivity for a week or for some short time, or should be every day, day in, day out, each moment? We, all those guys who are connected to the manufacturing sector or productivity sector, should take some cues from the government of India. When Nitin Gadkari claimed, the Central Transport Minister claimed that earlier the National Highway Authority was making 22 kilometers per day, the road construction has reached to 60 kilometers per day, and now they are targeting for 75 kilometers per day. That's what is productivity. The government officials, when the Prime Minister of India, he claims Atmanirbhar Bharat, and India starts supplying hydroxychloroquine to the world, we start supplying COVID-19 vaccines to the world, and our vaccination numbers show 7 million by 12th of Feb. It speaks volumes about our productivity. India has become a global pharmacy for the world, and nothing has changed. During COVID, nobody came from outside. We were not able to import any new machines. Rather, they were not available either. People were not coming to the plants. Facilities were running at the barest minimal attendance. And still we were able to achieve that. How come? Because of the productivity. So basically, what is productivity? It's not like a layman's language that you produce n number of units in a given time, or you produce n+1 in same time. No. What is productivity is when you put some input into a system and you get output plus waste. When you are able to reduce that waste and get more output, that is what the productivity. It is optimal utilization of resources and capital and manpower to generate the same output. You have a machine which is producing 100 units per minute. Rather, it is rated for 100 units per minute. But your operator is producing only 40 units. That's not productivity. If the skill of the operator or the input material quality improves to go up to 60 or 80, I do agree and I do understand and believe that 100% is not possible. Working at 100% productivity is in certain cases possible, but it's very difficult. But even if we are achieving 90% efficiency, globally, manufacturing sector operates at 70 to 75% efficiency, which is the global benchmark. So if we are able to achieve that, then we have hit the target or hit the bullseye. So our target should be to optimally utilize the resources by improving the skills of manpower, improving the method, improving the machine availability. The downtime has to be bare minimal, and providing resources or money for the capacity building, investing in good quality machines, taking care of environment so that nobody comes and stops our production. If we take care of all the mudas in the system and make all our parameters compatible to the process and production, we will definitely achieve the productivity. If we are generating some data on the non-value added activities, if we are having details about where we are losing time, where we are losing outputs, where we are losing productive hours, we can definitely look into the reasons, we can evaluate that and improve upon it. So friends, we should start working with an open mindset, and also with COVID-19 bringing into limelight scarcity of manpower. People have run away. We didn't have skilled people available. So let's start focusing on automation. What automation we can use, where all we can imply sensors or robots or paperless things, softwares. Can we, things which were thought to be impossible had become possible. We are now living in a new normal situation. Everybody knows that. So if COVID-19 can force us to think differently, why don't we force ourselves to think differently and out of the box, to remove all the mudras present in our system and improve the productivity? If we are using the same resources and producing more quality product, we are going to definitely win this show, improve our profitability, and have a long-term business. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening to me. Have a very happy and productivity week. Thank you. Jai Hind.